Welcome dear students. Today we are going to start our next lecture, exercise number 1.2. We are starting its question number 5. Find the transpose of each of the following matrices. As we studied first transpose of matrix is find when all the rows change into columns or columns change into rows of a matrix. See there. First one, it has 3 rows, first, second and third. We change its 3 rows in column. So A transpose first row change into its column 0, that is the first column. It has no other elements, so it is only single column matrix. Second row is 1, second column is 1, and third row is -2, and third column is -2 in this question. So it is a column matrix of order 1 by 3. In case of matrix A, it is of order 3 by 1, but when we take its transpose, it becomes a matrix of order 1 by 3. Here the next one, we can see it has only single row, so single row change into a single column, and matrix B is equal to first row 5, second element 1, and third one -6. The matrix B is of order 1 by 3, but B transpose having order 3 by 1. Next one, C matrix, first row, second row and third row. All of these rows change into column. So C transpose is equal to first row change into first column, first element 1 and second one 2. Second row change into second column having elements 2 and -1. Third row change into third column having elements 3 and 0. See the next one, D matrix having rows, number of rows 2 and number of columns also 2. First row change into first column and second row change into second column in D transpose. First row 2 and 0 change into first column, and 2 and 3 change into first column, and 0 and 5 change into second column. So its order remains same 2 by 2, but its columns change into rows and rows change into column. Same here in the next one, having rows 2 and columns 2, so it rows change into columns. E transpose is equal to first row change into first column 2 and 3, and second row -4 and 5 change into second column. So it becomes the transpose of matrix E having order 2 by 2. That is the last part of this question, having order 2 by 2 matrix F. It has 2 rows and 2 columns, so its first row change into first column. F transpose is equal to first row change into first column, first element 1 and second one is 2. In the second row we change into second column, first element 3 and second one 4. It is also matrix of order 2 by 2 having different values 1, 3 and 2, 4. It is transpose of matrix F.